Okay, so Heather, how do I go about finding these case law precedents?
Okay, so the first place that I look is CanLII. Yeah, so CanLII is a fantastic database. It's free to use, it's online, and it's very comprehensive. So go to CanLII. I know, Heather, you did a video on CanLII,
I
so
did. Yes,
maybe, but yeah, you can link to your video.
I will.
um, so yeah, that's my first recommendation to find case law.
Okay, that sounds good. So you don't actually have to go to the library and look at all those volumes anymore these days, probably.
No, but a law textbook never hurt anyone. So
Right, right. That's a
feel
good
free to look
suggestion.
at, yeah, go. Unfortunately, right now with COVID, the libraries are closed.
Right.
But Osgoode Hall Library, which I think can be open to the public,
Mhm.
has great resources.
Oh, that sounds great.